going to buy a SIM because we'll be needing a local SIM here. So just outside of where we came out, there's a store for local SIM card here. So Mel's gonna buy now because we also need it for a few apps and stuff. Gonna get this mobile SIM. I think that's the name. So yeah. I think this is the name of the SIM. And yeah, so we're gonna get a SIM because we'll need it for a few of the apps. So this is just here. So once you're out, there's a lot. So we're gonna get this one. How much did that SIM card cost?
200 yuan. So I tried the eSIMs as well. The price is relatively the same.
Yeah.
But this one is much more, has a lot more data.
And it's good for
30 days.
30 days?
Yeah.
Did they
You
say
have a
how
number,
many
local
gig?
number.
How many gig you will get?
30 gig.
30 gig. Okay. Already got a number. So we'll see. We will see where we'll use the numbers. I think DD also needs a local number, so we'll find out. So we already added up to our Alipay for transportation as well. So. We actually arrived here in Chinese New Year. Can you imagine? We arrived in Thailand on actual New Year, and now we're here in Chinese New Year. That's why you'll see a lot of lanterns here. Definitely once we're out, you'll see more. But for now, we're gonna look for a place to chill because it's still early. We're here in this cafe. I got this. So I got this one. So this is a pretzel. And then we're just waiting for the coffee. Cafe name is Carino. Heading to the train now. Yeah, it is cool. Need to put some layers.
Shanghai is huge.
Yeah. We're not out yet. We're just out at we're just at the airport. Welcome to China.
So quiet.
Yeah, it is quiet.
It's not something I expected.
Yeah.
It's gonna be much louder.
Yeah, especially for the amount of space
People,
and people. So yeah. Oh, on the right. Because the sign says here, because there's two ones. The other one is here. So I think we're heading to the metro in Maglev. Suburban. We're on the right side. Yeah. That's why there's a lot of walk-a-later right here. With a huge airport. There's already a counter for Maglev train here. There.
So this is
after we turned right.
Train. Maglev is the high-speed train, but since
Maglev
we
is
have
high-speed train, yeah.
Before our check-in, we might take the longer route.
Yeah, the normal one, which will guided by Aey Maps. So we're using the app Aey Maps. And to locate our hotel, we're using trip.com. That's where we booked our accommodation. First accommodation here in Shanghai. Yeah. I think the metro, since we're not gonna take the Maglev, we're gonna head to the metro after we turned right a while ago. So metro sign is over there. So we're gonna head here after turning on that side. So either way, I think both paths will lead you here if you're planning on taking the metro as well. So yeah. Or a restaurant here too. Take the metro. So when you're approaching the train, just a reminder to make a lot of time, adjusted time. Come in early because there's always a checkpoint in every train entry. As we have researched, yeah. Even on checkpoints, there's a lot of queue already, so you need to plan in advance. But depends on the season, especially if it's peak, right? It can get really crowded.
Here, New Year.
New Year,
Chinese
yeah.
New Year.
Yeah, look at the checkpoint. There's a lot of people already. So lucky we have time.
Oh yeah, line 2. Metro.
So that's where we're heading. Line 2 Metro. And yeah, there's the checkpoints.
I think they accept Visa now as well.
Yeah,
for workers.
they accept foreign card. So we'll try it for the first time if Visa is gonna work. We're gonna go to use the line 2, which is just over there, the green one. I'll just check. It says the machine is already accepting Visa.
The thing is, you have to go through security first to
First,
find
yeah.
out. So,
But you can see it from here because we're right around the corner where we're buying the ticket. So I think this one.
we'll try it again.
Yeah, literally you can see the what do you call it, the scanner for entry just around the corner where to buy the ticket, and it says it's accepting Visa already. So do you want to try it now?
Yeah, you have to go around the...
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Check you now for the security check just around here. My Visa works. Did yours work? Okay, that's good. Yeah, we're finally in. I'm gonna take the train now. So we don't need the passport. They didn't ask for anything.
So we need to
So
keep it.
yeah, but our Visa card works. Others have their card, like the digital one, so they scan it. Us
Using
were
the
just,
phone.
yeah, but us were using our card, so yeah.
It looks like it's working.
Yeah, and they didn't ask for a passport, so I think you don't need it. We'll see how it goes. But we're gonna head to the train now. The escalator, cause we have a luggage. So let's go. The train now. Now here. But we're gonna eat here because we're hungry. In between train platform heading to our hotel. So we got hungry. Go out since we're gonna eat, and then we'll go back here later. For which line are we heading next?
13.
13 to our hotel later. As you can see, they already accept Visa as indicated on the scanner over there. So Mel is gonna top out. She's gonna scan it, and yeah, he's in. Just came out of the train.
First outdoor.
We're here on exit 3, and look, there's literally night market. Oh no, what they call it? Street markets? I don't know what they call it here. Maybe because it's Chinese New Year today. That's why there is a current event. We're not sure if this food market here are permanent. So still got our luggage with us. We decided to stop here because in between on our way to hotel because we're hungry.
Korea or Japan.
Yeah, it's a mix of a lot of culture. But yeah, this reminds me of Seoul, Korea, because of the weather as well.
Really nice here.
Yeah. Wow, so this is how they spend their New Year here. Pretty busy. Like we should probably just. Now I'm in my state of we should probably just drop our things first. It's like there's so many things to see, like shopping, food. So yeah, and we still got our luggage with us. Mel got his luggage too, so pretty busy for Chinese New Year. Yeah. This area really reminds us of Seoul, Korea back then when we were there.
Wow, look at the...
Very busy. Is that babe? Look at that mango. It's so huge.
It's amazing.
Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Oh wow. Which area is this, Beth?
West Nanjing Road.
West Nanjing Road. So we still need to take another train for an hour before we arrive to the location of our hotel. But this area is already nice. It's pretty busy as it's a celebration of Chinese New Year. Mel says they celebrate Chinese New Year here for a week, you said.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, and I think this is the second day. We're just about to eat and we didn't realize they're already in the area where this huge brand, literally a huge boat. Wow. Where are we gonna eat? It's so cold. I think I need to wear gloves. Even Mel is hiding his hands now. Where do you think we should eat? Let's see. It's much.
We were just walking in the beach in Hua Hin and now it's freezing.
Yeah, as you can see, everyone's still wearing their thick
We need
jackets.
to buy more jackets and gloves now.
Yep. It's pretty busy today. I think it's a holiday for them.
I like
I like it in front of the sun because it's so cold.
it in Shanghai.
I like it here.